So today we're going to talk about the caring cycle. And the caring cycle is, I would call it a philosophy of mine, but it's not. It's just a way I operate that will help you in your work, especially if you are engaging others for your goods or services or something where you have to create your business, so to speak. So the first stage of the caring cycle is you have to care deeply about what you're trying to accomplish, right? There has to be a deep reason for that, right? You have to care down into your soul for why you're going to do the work you need to do. And then the second thing is you have to care about the people that it can impact. In other words, you have to care enough to make your offer. So you have to care enough about why you should make your offer. And then you have to care enough about the person you're going to offer it to, right? You have to care that it will make an impact for that person. Because ultimately, even though what you do, whatever that is to meet an end for you, and it should be something you deeply care about because that's what's going to drive you enough to do something significant, you have to believe it can help someone else, right? That's where the congruence and integrity lays. So you have to care about making the offer to someone because you care that it could help them. But then you have to not care at all about what they choose because we have to respect other people's right to choose what they choose. And even if we don't agree with what we see as the results of their choices for them, that's not our place. We have to let that be. And so we care enough to make the offer, but we care not at all about what someone else chooses, except for those who choose to take the offer. You see, that's the nugget right there. So the people that then take the offer, who take a step, who are trying to help themselves, who are trying to do better, who are trying to improve the thing they're doing, whatever that is, however it relates to what your offer is, then you must care deeply about helping them to engage with your offer to meet the need they're trying to accomplish. It's so simple. And if you operate from that way, then even those who don't choose your offer now will understand that you respected their desire to do whatever they're going to do. They will understand that you were caring in the way that you did it, and they will see that you're still doing it and you are actually helping others as you go. And in many cases, they will circle back around, or you will circle back around and still have the opportunity to serve them in the future. So to recap really quickly, care enough about others to make your offer to them, care not at all about whether they choose to accept it or engage with it at all, because that's their choice, and care deeply about the people who do say yes, who then you have truly an opportunity to serve. If you can keep that in your frame of reference, it will make the way you work joyful and fun and simple, and you'll get great results over time.